Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of food and different type of clothes. Till now we learn about different type of food and animals, and we learn about our body parts. When we learn about the different safety rules, we learn that we have to follow these rules at our home, at school and on the road. And wherever you are going, you have to follow these rules. Then we learn about air, that air is the most needed thing for living things. We also learn about water, that all living things need water to drink. We learn about all these things. Then we learn about the different uses of water. We learn about different uses of air also. Then we learn in lesson number 13 about weather, that weather is changes every day. We also learn about different types of the day which we feel all over the year. So different type of days make a season. We learn about 5 seasons: summer, monsoon, winter, spring and autumn. We learn that many flowers are bloom in season of the spring. So all these things we learn in science. We also learn that according to days we wear different type of clothes, right? So all these things we learn in science, and we learn something more and something new about science. Then we start our lesson number 14, right? So in previous lecture we start our lesson number 14, the sun, moon and star, right? So let's continue our lesson. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue lesson number 14. What is the name of this lesson? The sun, moon and star. And our today's topic is sun. So we continue our today's topic. In previous lecture we learn about the sky, different type of skies we see. Then we learn about the different things which you see in sky. We divide them in man-made thing and natural things, right? So we learn that some things you see in the sky are natural when some things are man-made. So all these things we learn in science. So we today continue our this topic of sun. So in previous lecture we learn about sun, that what is sun, and today we learn that what is importance of sun and how we use the sunlight and many things, and what is important of the sun in our life, right? So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So let's see what is the line. The line is, when you focus on the good gets better, right? So what is meaning of that? That when you are focused on the good things, it means when you are focused to be good, right? If you are a person, so if you focus on being a good person, right? So you can get better person from you, right? So what is the thing at the time that when you are doing something and when you are going on the road, and you can see that some people are good when some are careless, right? So when you see good in everything, you become better. So you have to focus on the good, and the good gets better, right? So you have to focus on the good thoughts, right? So then you can get good achievement, right? So these better and good things help you to achieve different goals, right? So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. And our today's topic is sun. We learn something new about sun. But before we start our today's lecture, today's topic, first we revise that what we learn in previous lecture, right? So here first we see that what we learn in this lesson. So here you can see the picture of the things. So first picture you can see the picture of sun, right? So here you can see the things which you learn in this lesson. So first picture is the picture of sun, right? And the second picture is the picture of star, right? So we all know that poem Twinkle Twinkle, right? So it is like that, twinkle twinkle little star, right? So it is the star which you see in the poem. Then the next picture you can see, it is the picture of moon. So you can see that in first picture there is sun, and so you can see there is a light. And in third picture you can see moon. There is a light but there is darkness, right? So in this lesson we learn about all these things, about sun, about moon, about star. So now you can think in your mind that where you are see all these things like sun, moon, star, clouds, where you are see, on the land or on the sky or on the road, where you are see, these all things you can see in the sky, right? So in this lesson we learn about sky and our journey is about sky. And last picture you can see the picture of day and night. So today we learn about day and night and how it is happen, right? And what is the important thing for all these things. So our lesson number 14 is about the sun, moon and star. We learn about sky also, we learn about sun also, we learn about moon also, and we learn about stars also, right? So let's revise what we learned in previous lecture, then we start our today's topic, right? So in previous lecture we learn about sky, right? So we learn that what we see in the sky, different type of things. So what is this? It is sky, right? It is up to the earth, right? So we all are living in earth. So in previous lecture we learn about sky, then we see the different things which we can see in the sky, right? So what you see in the sky? You can see sun, moon, you can see birds, you can see kites, aeroplanes, helicopters, right? So all these things you see in the sky. So in previous lecture we see the picture of sun. Now quickly revise and give answer that sun is a natural thing or man-made thing. It is natural thing. Then we see the picture of helicopter. We see in the sky. So it is natural or man-made? It is man-made, right? So in this lesson we learn about different things. We see in the sky rainbow. It is a natural or man-made? We can draw rainbow, but we cannot make rainbow in the sky because it is a natural thing, right? Then the picture of moon. So moon which you see in the sky at night, right? So it is the thing that is you see in the sky, right? Then we see the picture of aeroplane. It's fly like a bird, but it is not natural thing. It is man-made thing, right? Then the stars. So stars you can see in the sky at night, right? So it is also natural things. And here you can see the picture of birds. Birds fly and they are living things, and all living things are natural, right? So all these things we learn in previous lecture. First we see the things which you can see in the sky. So purpose is that when you see these all things in sky, the sky is different from other. You can see here air balloon and balloons, right? So these all things you can see in the sky, right? So this is the different type of sky you can see, right? So here you can see the picture of sky at night, you can see sky at day, and you can see the blank sky, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson, right? So what we learn in this lesson about sky and the different things which you can see in the sky. So in previous lecture we learn all these things. Then we learn about the sun. Here you can see the picture of one boy. And what is this? You can see the yellow color thing. It is black background, but the circle thing is yellow color. So it means it is sun, right? Moon is also like that, but the color of moon is white and the color of sun is yellow or orange. Here you can see the yellow and orange color. So in previous lecture we learn about the sun and why the color of sun is yellow or orange, right? We learn in previous lecture, right? So let's revise about sun. So first, when we see the sun, first we think that where is sun, right? In morning if you see, the sun is in the sky, right? So as I told you, in this lesson we learn about the things which you see in the sky, and because of these things the sky is changed, right? So here you can see the picture of sun. Now you think that what is sun? So first we need to learn that what is sun. What is the shape of the sun? Where is the sun? What is the importance of sun? And where we are near to sun, right? So what is sun first? So here you can see that what is sun. Here you can see the picture of sun, right? And what is the shape of the sun? In color of the sun, right? So what is shape of the sun? It is round like a ball. The sun is looking like a big ball of fire. What is the sentence? The sun is looking like a big ball of fire, right? So when we learn about sun, so why it is big ball of fire, and what is the shape of the sun, which we learned in previous lecture, right? So here you can see the picture of sun, and what is the shape of this sun? Here I circle the shape of the sun. It is looking like a ball, right? So you can easily understand that what is the shape of the sun. When you see sun in the sky, you can see sunlight, sun rays, you can see, but the proper shape of the sun is the round like a ball. So what is shape of the sun? The shape of the sun looking like a ball, right? So you can understand that the sun is a big ball. As you know that sun is very big because we all get sunlight and heat from the sun. So it means the sun is a big ball. And here you can see the picture of fire, right? So it is not the real picture of sun. I again repeat, it is not the real picture of sun, but we can just imagine that sun is looking like that because sun is very big, right? And you can see here it is ball of fire. How we understand the sun is ball of fire? Because we all get sunlight and heat from the sun. Right now summer is start, right? Summer season start and we all feel heat, more heat. Why? Because of the summer, right? So here you can see the ball of fire, and it is the real thing that the sun is a ball of fire. It is a big ball of fire, right? It is not in the sky but up to the sky. It is our universe, right? So in universe you can see there is the picture of ball of fire, and this ball of fire give us heat, give us energy, give us sunlight. And today we learn about the thing that sun, how sun is important for us. So when we see the sun, we see the sun in the morning, right? So here you can see the picture of sun, and which time of it is? It is time of the day. So sun we see during the day, not at night, right? So today we learn about the sun and how this sun give us light and heat, and how the sun is going and where sun is going. So today we learn about new two things which is related to sun. So here you can see the picture previous lecture. So today we learn that why we need sun. What is importance of the sun? So let's see and learn something new about sun. And we all know that if the sun is not coming out of the sky, in the sky, right? So what happen? If there is no sun in the sky in the morning, then what happen? There is darkness. The day will not start without sun. So today we learn about the importance of the sun and how we are using different heat and the sunlight, right? So all these things we learn in science today. So why we need sun? Let's see. Here you can see the picture of sun. And slowly sun is coming out, right? So what is this? When you are in the school, right? So at that time when teacher is asking you question, so what your teacher tell you that if you know the answer, raise your hand. So like that the sun is coming and you can see slowly sun is coming and you can see the light in atmosphere. So what is this? Today we learn about this and it is the picture of sunrise, right? So what is the sunrise? We learn today, right? And how it is possible. So let's see what is sunrise. Think in your mind again, what is sunrise? So first you see the picture of sunrise already and you can see that slowly sun is coming out. So it give heat and light. So first the sun give us light, right? So light is most important thing for us, right? Why? Because you can understand that if there is a power cut at night, then what happen? It is darkness in your house, right? So you cannot find the things. Your TV is off, your mobile is off because of charging, right? So you need to charge your mobile. You cannot use washing machine, you cannot use any electric items. So light is very important thing for us. So in day we are using the light of the sun, right? So what is sunrise? Let's see. Here what you see? See carefully. It is picture of night, right? And you can see that there is a stars, right? Now if you think in your mind that if there is no sun, the thing you can see on your screen, what is this? It is the black color and it is night, right? So you can understand that what is the meaning of sun in earth, right? So here you can see the picture of night, the stars you can see. Now you think in your mind, if sun is not coming out, then what happened? The day will not start, right? So you can understand that what is importance of the sun, right? So here you can see the picture of sun and what is this? It is night. So with this you can understand that how sun rising. Now let's rise the sun. You can see here slowly sun is coming and you can see the part where sun is coming. There is a light, right? And you can see, so you can understand that sun is coming out slowly, right? So what is meaning of sun is our life? First thing, sun bring us day. So here you can see sun is rising, right? So slowly, and the sun coming out, the light in the atmosphere. So here you can see that sun covered up the darkness, right? So you can understand that slowly sun is coming out of the sky, and you can understand that the sun bring us day. So when sunrise, the day start. So what is sunrise? Sun start rising in the morning and it is sunrise. So in morning you can see this type of thing, and you can understand that when sun is coming out slowly, and you can understand that the day will start. So this is the thing which you see, that sun is rising, and because of sunrise we all get light and the day. So it is the importance of sun in our life. So right now you can understand what is sun rising. So here you can see the picture of sunrise. You can see here the slowly sun is coming, right? So it is the sunrise. When sun is coming in the morning, it brings us day. So it is picture of sunrise, right? So you can easily understand that what is sunrise. Here you can see again that sun is coming. So what bring day? Sunrise bring us day, right? So this is the thing which we learned today. Now what is meaning of sunrise? When sun rising slowly, it is sunrise. So sunrise bring us day. When sun rising, the day will start. So sunrise bring us day. So here you can understand that sunrise bring us day. So here you can see the picture of sun, and we can see sun during the day, right? So you can easily understand what is meaning of sunrise. So it bring us day. In whole day we can see sun in the sky. If there is cloudy day, we cannot see sun in the sky, but we can understand and we can feel there is a heat of the sun. So this is the thing which you see in the sky. And here you can see the picture of sun during day, right? So we can see the sun during day. Sun shines brightly during the day. In night we cannot see sun. So after the night complete, the day start, and during the day sun shines very brightly, and because of that we get heat and light from the sun. So you can easily understand sun shines brightly during the day. Then we learn today one more thing. It is the things, what is the importance of sun in our life. For everyone's life, every living things need sun, because sun is giving us heat and light, right? So importance of sun in life, let's see. So what is first importance of the sun? So here you can see the picture of people. People means human beings, it means we are. Second picture of plants. So here you can see the picture of living things, birds and animals. So these all are living things. We all know about this, that these all are living things, right? So you can think in your mind that why I am telling you about living things, right? So here you can see all living things, people, animals and plants need light and heat. So when we learn about the plants, we learn that plants need sunlight, water and food and air. So sunlight give heat. If you are living in the house and if there is no sun in the sky for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days or 1 month, then what happen? right? So animals and the birds and the people and plants need heat and light. We cannot live without light, right? So we need light in many things, and sunlight gives us light. If there is no sun, then there is darkness in the atmosphere. Sun gives us heat and light, right? So as I told you, if there is no sun, then day will not start and we all are stay in darkness. So sun gives us heat and light. Here you can see the picture of sun, which is during the day, and you can see there is a clouds, and you can understand what is the sun. And all living things need this sunlight. And here you can see the picture of plants. So plants are also needed sunlight to grow. If you only watering the plant will not grow, right? So when you see water cycle, we all learn in water cycle that if there is no sun, then water is not heated, and if water is not heated, the clouds are not give us rain, and if there is no rain, so how we get water? And if we are not drinking the water, then we cannot survive. So water cycle also needed sunlight, right? And we also get light, electricity from sunlight, right? So we all learn about these things. So in many things we need sunlight. The second thing today we learn is sunset. That sunset bring us night. Now you think in your mind that what is sunset? So let's see what is sunset. And sunset bring us night. So here you can see the picture of night, right? So you think that how we get night, right? So in morning when sun rise, the whole day we see the sun, right? So how the day changes into the night, right? So let's see how the day changes into the night. So sunset bring us night, right? So what is sunset? Let's see. Here you can see the picture of sunset. Now what is meaning of sunset? You can see the darkness and you can see the sun. The sunlight is very slow. It means it's like no sunlight. The light is not there. There is sun but there is no sunlight, right? So you can understand that sun shines very brightly during the day, right? So let's see what is the sunset. Here you can see the slowly sun is become half. Then you can see it is quarter. Slowly sun is going, right? So here you can see when the sun is going, the darkness you can see near you, right? So here you can see the picture of sunset. What is it picture? It is picture of sunset. And here you can see that if there is sun, there is light. And if there is no sun, there is no light. So when sun is going, then at that time the sun set, and sunset bring us night, right? So you can understand that what is sunset. Here you can see the sun is going down and you can see the sun is going half and totally sun is going, and it bring night. Slowly the darkness in the whole atmosphere, right? So how the day changes into the night? Here you can see the sun is removing, and because of that the day and night changes, right? So sun, and here you can see sun is going and moon is coming. So tomorrow we learn about moon and we learn about night. So today we learn about sunrise and sunset. So I hope you all understand what we learned today, and I hope you all enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.